Hello, once again it's Evat Puzzle and CEO of Evat Creative Concepts, so we're known as Evat Mobile Studio. So there we are going to design a logo. So from the words I'm going to be using PixelLab to design our logo. So we shall click on the PixelLab application and we shall be designing a logo of this kind, and so there. So shall go here. After going to design, now we shall be here. So I will come and delete all this, and I will come to more projects. Then from there to my projects, I'll just at least seek for any of my PLP text effects just to design my flyer. So from there I'll just click this design like this. After clicking on this design, I just have to edit this name. I'll just sing it. So here once again now. So now I'm going to check on my editor like this. So I'm going to do this, delete this one. So I'm gonna delete this one. After deleting that, I will just do come here. So I'll do come here and just click edit. After clicking on edit, I'll come on my here, just edit the name. So I will edit the term name. Then I design as EMS, then I click OK. So after clicking on OK, I'll just come here, edit again, remove this, click remember to be all in capital letters EMS, then I click OK. So there, that I'm going to rock both of them. After block, I just come and merge them. So I click on merge, so that's mean that I say want to merge the selected object. So they'll just have to click OK to merge the whole content of mine, and this content is standing for as you've observed, you're seeing this M. So after merging it, so I will make my test. I will just make it center. Come here, directive position. I center it. After centering it, I remember that. So remember that. Then we are designing this logo. So we shall be very speedy. After clicking like that, we shall do come. Click on text. From clicking text, go to add. From adding, come here and type there the name, that is Evat Mobile Studio. I click OK. I come on padding. You just have to pad here like at 23, 28. This one I bring it at least to 18. Then I click OK. Then I will bring my word. Then for it I'm going to first give it the color like this. After giving the color, I will shorter time. Also come to just make it center. After centering it, come here, come quick and click and seek for the font, and I will just seek one of the best fonts that I'm using. So I'm gonna use the best font. So I'm gonna do that coming very quickly. Then I go to fonts, and then I go to my fonts. Then I just use the dead salon regular. I just click on the salon regular. I click OK. I will just come to font the size. I just press it to 81 like here. Then I click OK. Then remember I have to center my text. Then I will just have to position, move it like this until I get the exact point you want my work. Then I will just bring it back like this. Then that. I'm sorry. Like that. I come do like this and that center it. Then I have to lock it so that it shouldn't be moving. Then it's now done. At least if I just want to add the background color, I do just come and just add the background color like this. So there, so that I can just do finish my logo in time. Then after I show what to do. After you come and go to here on this point. On this point here, click there. After clicking there, I go to import. From importing, I'll just come to the downloads. So I will just pick one of the phones. So I'm going to pick this type. This is one of the resources I'm using. I click OK. Then after clicking that, I will just come here. I will just decrease the size of the font. So remember that I want to use this font. I'll just come to center the font like this. I center it. So that I want to make it so bold and clear. I'll just come this side. I just position like this. Just have to move it so that it will be moving like this and be at this point. So being at that point, I just come back and I do come to stroke. I insert that stroke, and the stroke color will be using the white color. So after doing that, the main thing that I'm gonna do now is that send it back. Before saying that, I cannot use this method of sending back like this. Then after, you see it's now back. When I do click here, it's a bit back. So there, I'm gonna also come here and do lock it like this. So that as more that I thought that we are going to design the flyer as a logo, so that my logo is now over. So I just want to show you how we can save our logo without the background. The background was helping on how that's how to import my things. I don't show them in a clear way. Then from here, I'll just show you how to make the photo in my image or the logo in a transparent way, so that after I can do save. So I'll do come here. Then I go here on transparent. After clicking on transparent, before I'm sorry, just need to use this content of mine. This I come out here and just unlock. After unlocking it, I just do like this. From clicking like that, I'll just change the color to white. From color to color of the white color. I'm sorry. So here I will just do. You just came here, and what to do is that I will just click on this Evat Mobile Studio that provide the color, because remember it is in the text form. Then I come the color, change it to white. Then I do come here, click that, I click OK. Then I come to my background, just change my background to transparent, so that I'll be using my logo everywhere. For example, when that's designing in a certain photo, certain file, just use my logo to be there. So I would come here and click on transparent. After clicking on transparent, the best thing that here I have to do that I need that have saving to save my work. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel, share and comment, so that we can finish and make things over. So I'm mainly of the Evat Mobile Studio, using my phone, the smartphone, to done everything better. So do come here. Once first save my project, so just go to the project 6. Then I click OK. Then I come. Remember to save your photo your image in an ultra form, not the custom. Clear that do save. I do save my photo. And thank you for listening. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Meet you in the next video.